So we'll be using this, I'll just get this one and put it here. What? But another one? I need this, I'll get it. What? Another one. I'll get the head, then put it here. Then, what? Another one? I get this again and put it here. What? But then ulit, I get this. What? Then what's happening? I get this one. Then, oh! It's became red. We don't need this. We throw this away. Thank you. Because I only need the leaf. Can you hold this, Eli? Eli. Oh, palakpakan natin si Eli. May volunteer. Here. Eli, you blow. Let's do magic with that. What's the color of the hanky? Pick one. And you say magic, L. Then watch what will happen to the hanky. Thank you. Clap your hand. Thank you. Oh, we put it on inside the vase. Wala na vase. Put it here. Ito. Ay, hindi ba vase? Meron ba tayong vase dyan? This is your magic on your magic wand. Now you wave it 3 times. And now everybody say magic. You do magic with the bottle, Then 1, 2, 3. Watch. Whoa! Thank you, Eli. That's a great magician doing magic for people kahit maliit ka pa. Thank you, Eli. Palakpakan natin si Eli. And ito, pwede kong ibigay ito na souvenir. Charot. Thank you. Eli, ayan